Molecular biology of the cell is exciting.
MBC is challenging.
MBC is international.
The MBC is proactive.
Molecular biology is fascinating. It's about understanding how living things work, how we work. And even though we've learned a lot in the last decades, there's so much more that's waiting to be discovered and so many possible applications that we cannot even begin to imagine. I think it's amazing to work and study in these fields.
I'm a teacher of synthetic biology, and what we do here is molecular imaging. Actually, we are looking at dynamic events in vivo in the cell. We are developing new technologies to study the molecular events even in complex organs like plant roots.
Why MBC? First of all, it is a course which is entirely taught in English and it's plenty of foreign students. And of course you can also approach to the latest discoveries in the field of cell biology by using critical investigation.
Hello everybody, I'm a PhD student. I graduated last year and I decided to stay in this lab because I'm interested in optogenetics. And here I can perform my electrophysiological experiments.
After my bachelor, I decided to enroll in MBC because of the compelling opportunities that it gives. First, I gained a strong theoretical knowledge. Besides, I developed a great expertise as a researcher. Indeed, MBC offers a one-year internship either in internal or external very good labs. For instance, I have done mine at NCBS, a top research institute placed in India. Thanks to this background, after my graduation, I immediately got a position in the prestigious international PhD program at EMBL, one of the best institutes in the world for biomedical research.
It took an international consortium of hundreds of scientists, nearly 10 years and almost $3 billion to sequence the first human genome. Recent advances in sequencing technology mean that now we can sequence a genome or indeed identify all of the genes expressed in a biological tissue in less than 3 days and for a tiny fraction of that cost. In the molecular bioinformatics course, I teach how these new technologies can be applied in humans and other biological systems, and how the data that they produce are interpreted and eventually integrated with other forms of data in a modern molecular cellular biology laboratory.
The MBC Master course is completely taught in English, and the peculiarity of this course is that the first year is completely dedicated to exam preparation, mandatory or elective, while the second year is dedicated to the preparation of the experimental thesis that can be performed either here at the Department of Bioscience or abroad thanks to the Erasmus program. Moreover, we have a dedicated office that can assist international students through the enrollment process or in getting their visas. We also have fellowship available for foreign students.